Welcome. If you're looking to disable secure email in your Roblox security settings, you're in the right place. Whether you want to simplify your login process or just prefer not to receive security codes via email, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the latest method as of 2025. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the security settings. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, tap on Settings to access your account controls. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and select the Security tab. This section manages all your account safety features, including two-step verification and secure email options. Now, look for the option labeled Email Secure or something similar. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To disable secure email, simply tap the toggle so it turns off. Roblox may warn you that turning off this feature will make your account less secure, but if you're sure about your decision, go ahead and continue. At this point, Roblox may ask you to verify your choice. Usually this means you'll receive a code at your registered email address. Open your email, find the message from Roblox, and enter the code back in the app to confirm the change. Once you've completed the verification, the secure email feature will be disabled. From now on, you won't receive security codes via email when logging in or making changes to your account. Keep in mind, turning off secure email removes an extra layer of protection. Make sure your password is strong and unique to help keep your account safe. That's it. You've successfully disabled secure email in your Roblox security settings. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need a hand. Stay safe and enjoy your time on Roblox.